Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling what the office will insist on: the current logbook, the vehicle's VIN and registration number, plus valid photo ID. Once done, check proof of address dated within the last 3 months and print or copy the signed transfer form. If you're acting for someone else, include an authorization letter. Make sure documents are legible and original where required. This speeds the next steps, reduces rejections, and lets you move straight to completing forms or booking a counter appointment. Now focus on the core execution. Carefully complete the transfer form with seller and buyer details, sale date, and the sale price in dollars. Enter the odometer reading exactly as shown. Once written, both parties must sign the designated boxes. After signing, pay the administrative fee at the counter or online. Keep the receipt and reference number close. Once payment confirms, double-check that the logbook's ownership section is stamped or endorsed. This prevents delays when the authority issues the updated document. Finish by collecting the updated logbook or a temporary registration certificate and verify names, VIN, and registration match your records. If the office flags an issue, ask for the exact rejection reason and a checklist of missing items. Once you know what failed, correct it. Often you need a clearer ID copy, a corrected form entry, or proof of payment. If lines or stamps are unclear, request revalidation while you wait. Keep all receipts and a stamped receipt as evidence until the new logbook arrives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.